we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
While every oven is going to be a little different, you're basically looking at 3 ways to turn a conventional oven recipe into a convection oven recipe. Reduce cooking temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit, about 15 degrees Celsius. Reduce cooking time by 25%. Reduce both temperature and time by less than 25%.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.